What you see on the screen are the results I achieve using the business model I will share with you in this video. I've been experimenting with this idea since ChatGPT got popular, and I developed a solid system with unique strategies for everyone to follow with as little effort as possible. And I promise, the value you'll get in this free video probably won't be found anywhere else. You might be wondering what the business is all about. Well, let me tell you. Let's say you want to buy a book about self-improvement. The first thing you'll probably do is go to Google and look for the best books on this topic. And most likely, you'll end up on a website with a list of books you might be interested in buying. But what most people don't realize is that these are all affiliate products, which means that if you click on one and buy it, the website owner receives a commission. Now, before you close the video and get mad at me, I know such a business model isn't new, and affiliate marketing is quite a saturated side hustle. But be patient, because the method I'll show you today is entirely different from what you might think. And hopefully, by following these techniques and putting in the effort, you'll be able to achieve similar results as I did, here and here. Now, let me give you a broad overview of what we'll cover today. So the main goal will be to create and publish an article that has the ability to generate passive income through affiliate links. The first mission will be to find a topic to write about. After that, the magic starts, as I'll show you how to use ChatGPT like a pro to automate the writing process by using custom commands and prompts I've developed myself. And then I'll show you how to monetize your article by promoting relevant affiliate offers. And finally, we'll make the article look professional, publish it, and give you the necessary tips to see results quickly. Let's dive deeper into each step, starting with topic research. I'm going to show you two different ways, and the second is a method I developed myself. So like any business, you should select a niche first. If you don't have an idea in mind, head to Wikipedia and search for list of hobbies. You'll see hundreds of niches, and for sure, one of them will catch your interest. But if you enjoy using ChatGPT like me, here's what you can do to generate endless ideas. So what you see right now is a formula that helps you come up with blog article topics in one click. It starts by giving the bot an expert writer role, and by using the formula, it will generate different topics. All you need to do is paste the formula into the chat and watch the magic happen. You'll get the article's niche, target audience, and most importantly, engaging topics to write about. And by using this formula, you'll never run out of ideas. So, for example, a topic that really caught my eye was in the travel niche, traveling on a budget. After selecting a topic, you must check whether people are searching for it. And to do that for free, there are two options. The first is Google Trends. Input relevant search terms here and check the demand. And as long as you see a chart, it means people are searching for that. Now, the second option is to use Google Keyword Planner. Here, you need to click on Discover New Keywords and input relevant keywords for your topic. After that, choose the language and the location. And finally, click on Get Results. Once you do that, you'll see the relevant keywords, average monthly searches, and the competition. This will give you a good idea of whether people are interested in this topic or not. In my case, traveling on a budget seems like a good topic to write about. After finding your article topic, head back to ChatGPT to start generating the content. And to do that quickly, I've developed custom prompts and commands for each step of the process. All the formulas used in this video will be found in the description box for free. And if you want to get the complete guide I created, you can also check that out in the description, starting with the title. With this formula, you can come up with strong titles that get people's attention. All you have to do is copy the formula and put it into the chat. Then change the selected topic to your own topic, which in my case is traveling on a budget. And once you do that, as you can see, you'll get different title options. After generating the titles, we have to use the introduction formula. Now for this one, you need to choose your favorite title and put it where it says selected title. For example, I like number 4, luxury experiences at economy prices. So I can copy and put that here. You can also choose the tone and the style of the writing. Once you do that, you'll have a strong introduction that gets people's attention. After generating the title and introduction, we can focus on the main content, starting with the article outline. And by using this formula, you can generate a detailed outline in one click. You only need to insert your title here and set the tone and writing style. And in seconds, you'll get a detailed outline that structures the article in an engaging way. And based on that outline, we can generate the entire article. Copy the article formula and paste it into the chat. After that, click here to copy the generated outline and paste it underneath the formula. And as simple as that, you've generated an entire article all using AI. But we're not done yet, as we still have to monetize this article by adding affiliate products, which could be physical or digital. I suggest promoting digital products regardless of your niche, because most digital products have a higher payout commission and recurring income if you promote a subscription-based product. To find affiliate products, you have multiple options. The first is by heading to Google and searching for affiliate products related to your niche. So in our example, I can type travel-related affiliate programs, and I'll get many options. The second option is to use affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank or Digistore. All you have to do is add keywords related to your niche and choose whatever you like. You also have websites like Impact or PartnerStack where you'll find hundreds of affiliate programs you can apply to. And if you decide to go with physical products, Amazon's affiliate marketing program is the best option. I found a travel-related product on ClickBank that fits perfectly with my topic. My goal now is to promote this product in my article. To do that, use the affiliate formula. This formula adds the product you would like to promote in your article in a way that provides value to the reader without looking overly promotional. All you have to do is add the article title, the product name you're promoting, and a short description of it. Once you hit enter, your article will be ready to use. And the section where you promote the affiliate product will be in bold, so you can add the hyperlink later. After generating the article, open a Google Doc and start putting everything together: the title, description, and the main content. After doing that, we need to use a rewriter tool called Quillbot. This tool paraphrases your content so that it's not recognized as AI. All you have to do is copy section by section, paste it here, and hit paraphrase. And you'll notice within a matter of seconds that the tool has changed the style of the writing. And that way, you'll be able to use your article without being detected as AI. When you're finished, copy the paraphrase section and replace it with the old one, and keep doing it till you finish the article. So at this point, you should have your article done and ready to publish. And the traffic source we will use to bring visitors to read your articles and eventually to your affiliate link is Medium.com. Medium.com is a well-known website where lots of articles are published. It gets over 138 million visits a month, trusted by Google and often ranks on the first pages. The best part is that you can start using Medium for free. The sign-up process is simple. Head to Medium.com, click on Get Started at the top, and choose the option you prefer. When you're logged in, your dashboard should look like that. And to post your first article, click on Write in the top right corner. Insert the title here, and then start copying the content from your Google Doc and pasting it all into Medium. After that, start putting the article together by adding spaces and bolding the important sections. Also, add images associated with the topic to make the article look more professional and fun to read. You can find free-to-use images on Pexels.com or use Midjourney to create your own AI images. And don't forget to add the affiliate link. You can choose the part where you want to promote the product and click here to add the link. When you're done, click the Publish button. The last step will be to add topics related to your article. As soon as you start typing, Medium will suggest topics that you can use. And when you're done, click Publish Now. And just like that, your first article is out in the world. Just a quick update. It's been 15 hours since I published the article on this brand new account, and I already got a notification that someone liked the article. So now, if someone reads your article, clicks on your affiliate link, and chooses to buy, you'll get paid. The key to making money with this side hustle is always to post and try out new niches and products. I've written more than 370 articles to get to this point, so please don't give up too soon. And always remember that making money online requires time and effort.